This is something I've been wanting to create for a long time. I'm really happy with the results. This is the tool I wish existed when I started my journey into the fragrance world many years ago. I finally came up with a product that Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back from my short break. I went on vacation and I've also been working tirelessly on a project that I'm so excited to share with you today. So guys, what I created is a digital perfume journal. And actually more than a journal, don't get fooled by the name, because more than a journal, it's a full interactive system with lots of interactive fields and checkboxes that will help you keep your fragrance collection curated and organized, and will also help you hopefully make more intentional purchases rather than buying fragrances based on hype or FOMO. This is something I've been wanting to create for a long time, and after countless hours of work and research, I finally came up with a product that I think will be very helpful. I'm really happy with the results. This is not a bunch of spreadsheets or blank pages. This is a whole interactive system where you will be able to not only track your fragrances, but you will also be able to track your spending habits, because we all know this is an expensive passion that can get very easily out of control. I've included several sections here that I think are very important for us fragrance lovers. And honestly, this is the tool I wish existed when I started my journey into the fragrance world many years ago. So when I started my journey into fragrances, I really wish something like this existed. And I did my research, but I only found a bunch of spreadsheets, so to speak. Fancy, less fancy, but spreadsheets. And that's it, or blank pages. And I wanted more. I wanted to bring more value to you guys. And I think there are many sections here that will truly help you understand your taste in fragrances, because let's face it, oftentimes people buy based on hype, and while sometimes it might work, most of the times it doesn't, because you have to buy fragrances based on your lifestyle actually and your true taste rather than what people are raving about. It's also very affordable. Honestly, it costs less than what we usually spend on samples, so way less than that. I really wanted to make it accessible to everyone. This is not just for seasoned collectors, this is for everyone. And although the aesthetic is feminine, it doesn't matter. Perfume has no gender, so this is for everyone. No expertise required. So I've included several sections that I think will be very useful no matter where you are in your journey. Once you see your fragrances in black or white, like on the screen or paper if you want to print it out, you will notice that that note that you think you didn't like is present in many of those fragrances. So I think it will help you in many ways, or at least that's my hope. I've also designed a fragrance wheel based on my own interpretation. It's not an official fragrance wheel because there's actually no such thing, but I also wanted to include a fragrance wheel with all these different subfamilies so you can get acquainted with the different olfactory groups. You'll be able to make your wish list. Basically, as I said, it's a whole interactive system, and the good thing is that you will have all in one place. Now, another thing I want to bring to your attention is that many people have very large collections, and if you're one of those, and if your collection is larger than the number of pages this journal has, that's not a problem. You can always DM me, you can always shoot me an email, and I'll send you as many pages as you need, completely free of charge. So with this tool, you'll be able to organize and curate your fragrance collection. You will start understanding your buying patterns. I've also included a budget tracker here. You'll be able to track your expenses, your blind buys, whether what you've tried is full bottle worthy or not. You'll also be able to identify and keep track of the notes and accords you're more drawn to, as well as those you struggle more with. There's also a section to track your blind buys, whether they were successful or not. You'll actually be able to recognize how your taste evolves over time. Actually, this is one of the reasons why I wanted this product to be in digital form, because our taste changes, our nose evolves. Let's say 2, 3, 5 years down the road, I can guarantee you that your collection will look totally different than what it does today. Even your taste will be probably very different. You'll declutter, you'll add more fragrances to your collection. So being in digital form will allow you to wipe out everything, delete everything, and start from scratch. And you'll have a brand new journal every time you want without the need to buy it again. So it's definitely an evergreen type of product. Once you download it, it will be yours forever. And I truly hope it will help you make more intentional purchases based on your lifestyle, your budget, and your taste, rather than based on hype or FOMOs. And honestly, I truly hope you enjoy and you find it helpful as much as I do. And if at some point you encounter technical issues, glitches, I've encountered so many glitches, I can't even begin to tell you how difficult it was to create this. People will never imagine how much work, how many hours I invested on this project. I did it all by myself. I didn't hire a developer or anyone. That's why it took me so long to create it and to bring to life something like this. Every single checkbox, every single text field has been filled manually, and it's a lot of work, guys. I remember there was a day when I thought, I'm done, I'm gonna give up. But I'm not a quitter, and I kept pushing and pushing, and now I feel very, very happy and proud of the product I've created. I'm fully aware that in a digital environment, it's very, very common to encounter tech issues. So if that's your case, if that happens to you, please reach out to me. You can shoot me an email, you can send me a DM on Instagram, but let me know as soon as you can so I can make it right for you. If you're interested and end up buying this product, I would really, really want to hear from you. You can shoot me an email, you can send me a DM through Instagram. By the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you can follow me at GB_fragrance. And as I said, you can always DM me on Instagram as well. So I hope you like my new baby, and I can't wait to hear your thoughts. Stay safe, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye-bye.